Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Login Aid. If it's the first time watching our YouTube channel Login Aid, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. In today's video, I'm going to guide you guys on how to put your pet to sleep on Widgetable. So first of all, go ahead and open your Widgetable app. After you open it, you'll be on the Explore page of your Widgetable app. Widgetable is an app that you can use on iOS 16 and above and Android, and using that, you can have a virtual pet or a plant in your home screen or lock screen as a widget. You can either continue with Apple or continue with Google in order to open a Widgetable account. On my screen, you can see a Widgetable logo, and below it, you can see co-parenting stories, and below it, you can see various options, and you can see the options of pet in the third option. Go ahead and tap on that pet option. After you tap on that pet option, you'll be redirected to a page something like this. In this page, you can see pets just below eggs option, and you'll be able to see all the pets that's available on your Widgetable account. So go ahead and tap on that pet that's available. So you can see Teddy in the top of my pet. So I've put my pet name as Teddy. So below my pet, there is a list of various options. So just go ahead and tap on the third option, in which you can see an icon of a semi-lunar moon and a cupcake. After you tap on it, you'll see various options, and on the pillow and dream bed option, there is a sleep sign on the left upper corner of these options. Just go ahead and tap on pillow, or if you're a pro user, you can go ahead and tap on dream bed. So after that, a menu like this will pop up on your screen. So during the day, Teddy needs a 20-minute nap. After 9 p.m, it can enjoy a longer sleep until 7 a.m. Go ahead and tap on start Teddy's nap. Doing that within a matter of seconds, your pet will be on sleep. So now it will get up after 20 minutes, but if you want your pet to wake up at that moment, you'll have to give your pet coffee or make them listen to music, or else they'll wake up after a 20-minute nap. So that's how you put your pet to sleep on Widgetable app. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.